Hello everybody, this is Errol here from AI, Alchemy of the Imagination. Today I'm going to talk to you about, oh my goodness, the mongooses are ready and raring. Right, I'm going to talk to you about the sounds of success. Yes, the sounds of success. Now, why is the sounds of success really important? Well, basically because when you are giving yourself the words of things that are pointing you, that's uplifting you and encouraging you towards your lifestyle that you're wanting to create, the image that you are wanting to create. See, words create images in your mind, you know, and we all know when people tell us certain things and describe us of things that we don't want to be, it pulls us down. But when we start to say words that are uplifting, encouraging, and that people say, you can do it, you will be what you desire to be, we feel good. So that's why it's very important that we give ourselves the sounds of success, that we start the morning, our day, with the sounds of success. You know, don't turn on the TV and flood yourself with negative information, negative news. Don't do it. Find something that will give you the boost to start your day. That's why, you know, it's always important, you know, you spend those few moments of the day, beginning of the day, with something positive. You listen to something that's going to uplift your spirit. You listen to something that's going to really set a smile upon your face. You know, you look at the image, you look at words that are going to push you towards a really good day. Regardless of the weather, whether it's raining, snowing, or what, you take the sounds of success and you make it yours. You know, don't stand outside of it. You take hold of those words that are uplifting, that is positive, and you make it part of your life for that day. The sounds of success is always there, and it's yours to be taken advantage of. Make it yours. Make those sounds of success. Find words, find affirmations that will give you the inroads that you need to have a fantastic day. Well, I hope this has been of help to you. Please subscribe to this channel. Please press like. We'd love to hear your comments. And make sure that you start your day and end your day with those sounds of success. Words, music that will uplift you and point you towards what you really are meant to be doing. Until next time, take care now. Bye-bye.